So this is what the interface of Capcut looks like. Yes, this is the overview of the interface. When you click on the new view, see the new video, edit photo. You can use the auto cut feature. You can use the retouch feature. You can use the space. The space is like a drive on Capcut where you can upload and even store your videos without downloading them. Yeah, this is desktop editor. This is auto enhance, photo tools for your picture to edit your picture, marketing tools. It depends on what you want to use, the kind of brand. If you want to create a brand, remove background to remove your background. But remove background mostly works for a paid plan. Auto caption, that is, I'm still going to go deeper as we this is just an overview. As we go deeper into the class, you're going to see how all of these are used. The feature auto caption is for you to write captions on all your videos. Camera is maybe you want to record live directly. AI photo editor, I'm going to show you how to use this. Adjust speed, you're going to see how to use all of these during the class. Avatar tools, audio tools, teleprompter, you know, we have different tools on Capcut and they are up to like 24 in numbers that you can use to be creative. Yeah, so that's just an overview of what Capcut is all about. Now, importing clips on Capcut. How do you import clips on Capcut? On Capcut, when you want to import clips, right? Importing clips means you want to upload your video into Capcut. What do? You click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, it takes you to your gallery, right? I'm going to import this video. Click on the video you want to import, then add the video that you want to import. So this is how to import clips on Capcut. So yeah, now let me guide you through basic trimming and splitting. Trimming on Capcut is not really something that is so difficult. So let's assume that you want to trim this video now. How do you trim this video? Click on the video to highlight it. When you click on the video to highlight it, start playing your video. Now, I want to show you how to trim videos. Trimming and splitting is kind of like, they are like, but just that I can use the term the same way we have medical terminologies. We have editing terminologies as well. Trimming is the same thing as splitting. Now, I want to trim this video by doing what? By splitting it. So now, after splitting, I'm going to delete this part where she didn't say anything.
Welcome to.
So that's what trimming is all about. I just trimmed it. Now let's listen to where the video is starting immediately.
Welcome to 30 minutes with the king.
So that's how to trim. You trim, you split. Let's find something else we can trim here as well. Now listen to the video.
Where medicine meets miracles. When someone says leukemia, fear immediately enters the room. Your mind starts racing. Your heart sinks. And suddenly, the future feels uncertain.
So now, I'm going to trim here because she paused. She wants to start another line, right? I'm going to click on split. And then let's see again.
But tonight, we will not let fear lead this conversation. We will bring understanding, and this will.
In between, we will bring understanding, and this will. It's supposed to be a continuous conversation, right? But there was a pause, so we're going to go back and trim that pause out.
And this. And this.
And this, split it. She opened her mouth to start speaking. Split it before she starts to talk. Listen to it to be sure that you didn't cut out information.
Well,
you can see that even before the video started, there's still a pause. So go back to where you trimmed and delete it. So that's how to trim. So now, to remove silence and mistakes, that's the same format you will use to remove silence. Because if you want to remove silence or mistakes from your video, they are definitely going to split. Watch the video, split it to be able to trim it. So some apps will have trimming. Some apps will have splitting, while some apps will have cutting. It just depends on the terms. So those things are used to remove silences, and they are used to remove mistakes from your video. To export your video, you see AI Ultra HD at the top. Before you click export, please, you will see that your resolution is 720, 180 and 2K, 4K view. Now, Capcut, if it is free version, is going to stay on 720 pixel alone. It will not move to 180 unless you're on paid version. Okay, if you want to export, if you are exporting to Instagram, YouTube, any other social media platform, adjust this to 1080 pixel. That's the format that is acceptable for every platform. That's the format. Don't stress yourself. There's no need to do 2K, 4K, because if you do 2K, 4K, the social media platforms are still going to reduce it to 180 pixels. So just do to shift to 180 pixel. Your frame rate, leave your frame rate at 30, or you can decide to move it to 50. It depends on you. And as you move your frame rate, you will notice that the buy rate under is going to shift. So Capcut automatically recommends the buy rate for you. Your focus is your resolution and your frame rate. So that's all for this section. So before we wrap up this session, now to export, click on export and you'll see your video exporting. So that's all for this session. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.